Welcome to this training module looking at the Smart Notebook software. In this module, we will look at working with objects. When we write on the Smart Notebook, we are creating an object. By using the Select arrow, we can select the object either by framing the object or by touching the object. This will depend on whether you want to select multiple or singular objects. To move an object, take the object into the Select mode, then drag the object around the board. Any selected object will have a drop-down menu accessed via the small triangle. Many of these functions will be recognizable from other pieces of software. Cloning is great for quick duplication. Group tends to be one of the important selections when moving multiple objects around the notebook. Also, notice the recognized handwriting option, which converts your handwritten note to text. You can now build, drag and drop activities.